Hi everybody and welcome to weekly status quo number 39. I'm Dim Chutsanov and I'm starting a software product company. Each week I'm doing an update about what I have achieved in the previous week and what are my plans for this week. So the previous week was focused only on development and I start with Dynamics 365 development and I built the logic about how to retrieve the information from Dynamics and open an iframe, and this iframe is part of the provided hosted web. So I end up with 3 projects at the end. So I have one project for this logic inside Dynamics, and then I have another project that is provided for the SharePoint provided hosted web, and then I have a separate project that is only for React development. Yeah, it is a little bit complex setup, but this is what I end with. And as you can see these percentages here, so in general I complete on 60% the logic inside Dynamics. So currently I read data, I build dynamically the iframe, I render it. Again, this is with React, and I use Office UI Fabric. I'll show you after a few seconds. Then here I have this single page application. I load very basic data, but the most important thing is that I built logic here about the asynchronous web API calls, and of course this call here is authenticated, something that is very important. And yeah, you see the percentage. So I would say that I am on the half of the total work. So I'll show you now what I have achieved, but just to go in the plan for this week, well, I work on these numbers to be close to 100. So I'll complete the setup in Dynamics and I work mainly on the single page application that is part of the provided hosted web. Okay, let me show you how does this look like. So first of all, when you go in Dynamics, this is a web resource that is added on the page, and this web resource currently shows that there is some code, there is some error. As you can see, the interface, it is Fabric React, so I try to keep it very native and nice looking. And this logic here open an iframe in the on-premise. About this logic, it is very complex, even if it sees several clicks here, but I read dynamically the information that is behind these document locations and the logic behind these SharePoint sites. And I have my own entity that keeps the setup. I will support 3 mode or 3 my logic will work in 3 directions. The setup 1 is that I will use the out-of-the-box integration. Setup 2 will be that I will use custom logic that the customer have implemented based on SharePoint location and SharePoint sites. I have seen such scenarios in one of the companies that I have let's say research dialogue with them. And the third dialogue will be, and the third mode will be to support custom structure. But this custom structure will came later in my whole project. So yeah, behind this page there is a complex logic, and this week I will, and this is the 60%. So the single page application is working. I won't show it now, but next week I will show you how it works. So the plan for this week is to to work on the development and see how much I can complete. Thank you for watching me. Bye for now.